Hey guys, this is a plant called the Hoja Santa. It's got several names, but it's a really cool plant. It's growing here in North Texas. Grows quite well nowadays with the change in environment, and it comes up from the ground. And it's they got a lot of them growing in South Florida and in Central and South America, in Mexico. And it's used you can use it to actually use it as a wrapper for wrapping tamales. This plant's, it's the end of the season, so it's getting kind of ragged looking, but wrap your tamales with this leaf instead of a traditional wrapper. You can also wrap fish in this and cook on the grill with the Hoja Santa leaf, and it can be shredded and added to other spices. But it's a fantastic plant growing here in our yard, and I think that it's very beautiful to look at. And it's one of those plants that'll tell you when it needs water. It doesn't need a lot of water. When it does, the leaves will start to fall, and you water it and it just perks right back up. And this plant started as a single plant, and now you can see it's spreading from the ground all across here, and it'll die back in the wintertime and then come back in the spring. But keep in mind the Hoja Santa. Look for one at your local place where you buy your plants, or look for the spice at perhaps a Mexican type grocery store. The Hoja Santa.